Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to create animated videos through the app, through the software. So now you must be aware that the era is of Meta AI. So now everything is based on Meta AI. So through Meta AI, how you will create your videos, how you'll create channelize your inner skills, and also you can enhance, you can boost your audience on YouTube channel. So this is how I'm going to show you the software where we can easily create YouTube videos, YouTube tutorials using this app, or you can say this browser. So here in my phone I'll show you how to do it using Meta AI. So your work will be very easy, very asan, you can say in Hindi word. So now Invideo AI. So using the app Invideo AI, even you can use the browser as well. Through the browser you can open it directly. So now you can see I have already downloaded Invideo AI. Through this I have created so many videos. This is free of cost and this is paid one also. Some features are unpaid, where you can explore yourself. So now I'll not rate some anything right now. So let me show you how to do it. So friends, if you want to create animated videos, so now you can see on the screen, once I open the app, simply you can see this window. So now you can see create AI shorts, create AI explainer. So let's create AI shorts. So let's click on AI shorts. So you can make a setting out here, like you can see so many options are there. So now you can see create a rapid cut short video for YouTube, right? So rapid cut, very fast, normal pace. So like I'll choose this one only, YouTube. Okay, this you are going to make this video for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. So I have chosen YouTube only. Type your topic here. So you can type your topic here. Use only generated media or only stock media. So because only generated media is not free of cost, it is paid. So I'll click on only stock media. Okay, this is free of cost, and in a week you can create 4 videos in free of cost. And background music, you can select all of them. Background music language you can choose over here. In English I have choose English. If you want to choose German, French, Italian, Japanese, Hindi, Korean, whatever you can choose. I have chosen English. Add any subtitle. So you can choose any one of them. Don't add any subtitle. Add any subtitle. So I have done this only. So let's start it. Okay. So you can do all the formatting, all the changes over here, all the settings over here. You can say voice over, voice actors, watermark text, media source, music preferences, style. I'll click on submit. So now create a rapid cut short video for YouTube about you setting only stock media only. So friends, where here we can give the command, like whatever what type of video you want to create here, you can make it here. So now it's about let's take an example, because on YouTube, because to my audience, to my people, I want to wish happy new year for 2025. So here I'll make a short and I'll upload on my channel. So let's make a short for happy new year 2025. So friends, you can see here I have given a small content. You can create a content about the technology, about the AI, about the chat GPT, about the Google Gemini, about the, I mean, about anything, about New Year celebration, about Christmas celebration, about anything. So whatever type of, what type of content you are using on your channel, or whether it is your technical, whether it is travel, whether it is daily vlogs, what type of vlogs you are creating on the YouTube, what type of platform you have generated through your channel, so you can create a video related to that only. So now, because it's about the Happy New Year wishes to my audience from edutainment from my channel, so I would like to give the wishes to them. So here I am creating this. Now you can see. So now you can see, hello friends, Happy New Year 2025. The title is already taken from my words. So I have given the command. I have written so many, well, two, three lines, and out of them, it is already taken. The main, I mean, you can say the title. It is the taken itself by the AI, in video AI. Now it is, the title is prepared, analyzed, and now it is preparing. As I said, generated media is paid, so you can click on stock media, and duration is 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 1.5 minutes. Let's go for 30 seconds because I'm creating shorts here. General public, student, professional. So I'm clicking general public. You can choose any one of them, student or professionals also. So platform is YouTube, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. So I'm creating for YouTube Shorts. So now you can see, I'll click on continue. It is written here, device hardware affects performance. Use a desktop or better for a better result, because I am doing this from my mobile, so it is showing. So if you will do this process by using browser and through your laptop or desktop, obviously it will it will be a little fast. So friends, it is created. Now you can play and you can watch.
If you struggle with finding the perfect New Year's greeting, Happy New Year 2025. We at Edutainment want to send you our brightest wishes for an amazing year ahead. Let's make 2025 a year of learning, growth, and unforgettable fun. Thanks for being part of our community. We couldn't do it without you. From all of us at Edutainment, Happy New Year. Let's make it the best one yet.
Now you can see how it is created, how beautifully it is created. So now in this, through this video, I didn't give my voice, I didn't give anything extra. Now pictures, I mean scenes, audio, everything's taken by the app only, by the AI, in video AI only. So this is how AI working. So if you are creating any type of video, any type of tutorial on YouTube, so be prompt and specific. And also you can see how easily I created this video and how beautifully it is designed and made by this AI. So obviously using AI app, this in video AI, you can